Hello friends, I am here with my channel Solving Questions with Gauri ma'am. I have started the lecture series for the subject Immunology. In my last lecture, we have completed with the innate immune system. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss what is adaptive immunity. Okay, so this is a type of immunity which develops after the encounter of infection. See, like this, innate immunity works before the onset of infection itself. It doesn't allow infection to occur. But still, if the infection is there, then our immune system develops adaptive immunity. So this takes 4 to 5 days to develop. Okay. Then adaptive immunity has 4 different attributes. First is a antigenic specificity. So it has a specific immune response against specific antigen. See, there are so many bacterial cells, so many bacterial species, but immune system can respond to every species, right? So this is a specificity of the immune system. Then this immune system can distinguish between two proteins if there is a single amino acid difference also, right? Again, this can be an example of immunologic specificity. Then another is a diversity. If we list the number of antigen, what can be work as an antigen? Bacteria, viruses, some pathogens, some parasites. So diverse number of infections can occur and these can be cleared by the immune system. So this is nothing but a diversity. Immune response to diverse number of antigens can be done by the immune system. This is what diversity is. Next attribute is a immunologic memory. See here, we always take vaccine. We always say about vaccine. So what is vaccine? During vaccination, we introduce that pathogen to our immune system. And now immune system remembers the structure or the pattern of that pathogen. And if actual infection is there, then immune system is ready to give immune response. This time when actual infection is there, the immune response is rapid because immune system already had made memory cells. Okay, so this is done with a adaptive immunity. Then this is I have told about vaccine, but in routine also, if immune system encounters any of the antigen, it keeps record that we have fought against this antigen. And if that antigen comes again, then immune system is now ready with its protocol that how to fight against this antigen. So this is the immunologic memory of the immune system. Another fourth attribute is a self-non-self recognition. Yes, this is very important attribute of the adaptive immunity because the immune system should not fight against our own cells, right? If that occurs, we call it as an autoimmune disorder. You must have heard this word autoimmune disorder. So what is that? The immune response against our self cells. Okay, but this doesn't occur routinely. Immune system has a talent to distinguish between self and non-self. Okay, and due to this, it doesn't attack our own cells. And this is again an attribute of adaptive immunity. So with these 4 attributes, adaptive immunity protects our body. Innate immunity is there to doesn't allow infection to enter itself, and if infection enters, then adaptive immunity is ready to kill that particular infection. Okay, so here we'll stop for this video. In my next video, we are going to deal with more details about adaptive immunity. So till then, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for my channel and also to hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.